Welcome back to English Nest Podcast, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Today we're talking about something so useful, small talk with strangers.
I love this topic. You know, so many learners tell me they know grammar, they know vocabulary, but they freeze when they have to talk to someone new.
Right? It's funny because small talk isn't really about perfect English. It's just about being friendly.
Exactly. And today we're going to give you simple phrases you can use anywhere. At a bus stop, in a shop, at a party.
So let's start with the classic one. The weather. I know, it's a cliche, but it really works.
It's a cliche because it's true, Jack. You can just say, "Nice weather today, isn't it?"
Or if it's raining, you could say, "Terrible weather, huh?" People almost always answer that.
Yeah, and the nice thing is, it's a very safe topic. Nobody feels uncomfortable talking about the weather.
True. Okay, let's imagine we're waiting for a bus together. What would you say to me, Emma?
Let me think. I might say, "Wow, it's so cold today, isn't it?"
And I'd probably say, "I know. I wasn't ready for this weather at all." See? Easy, natural, and it opens the door.
Right, it opens the door. That's a great way to think about it. Small talk is just opening a door, gently.
I love that. Okay, let's move to another situation. What if you want to sit somewhere, like in a cafe or on a train?
Ooh, that's a good one. You can simply ask, "Excuse me, is this seat free?"
Simple, polite, and it's a great way to start talking to someone new.
And once they say yes, you might add something like, "Thank you so much. It's really busy in here today, isn't it?"
See? You're already making small talk without even trying.
Exactly. It flows naturally from that one little question.
Okay, next idea. Compliments. Everyone loves a nice compliment, right?
Oh, definitely. You could say, "I love your bag. Where did you get it?" Simple, friendly, and people usually light up.
Or, "That's a really nice jacket. It suits you." People love talking about things they're wearing.
Yes! And a compliment is such an easy way to start because it's positive. People feel good and they want to keep talking.
Just remember, keep it simple and sincere. Don't overdo it, or it can feel strange.
Ha! Good point. Okay, so we have weather, seats, and compliments. What's next, Jack?
Let's talk about the place you're in. You know, your surroundings. It's a really easy topic because you both can see it.
Oh, right! Like if you're at a party, you could say, "Have you been here before? This place is lovely."
Or at a museum, you might say, "This exhibition is amazing, isn't it?"
Yes, and this works because you're both experiencing the same thing at the same moment. It's an easy connection.
Exactly. Small talk topics work best when there's something you both share, like the weather, the place, or even the situation.
Okay, now let's talk about keeping the conversation going. Because starting is one thing, but continuing it is another.
Oh, this is so important. My favorite trick is just 3 little words. What about you?
Yes! It's so simple, but it works every time. Like, "I'm having a great day so far. What about you?"
Or, "I just moved here last month. What about you? How long have you lived here?"
And suddenly, the other person is talking too, and it's a real conversation, not just questions from one side.
Right, small talk is a two-way street. You ask, they answer. Then they ask you something back.
Exactly. And you can also ask general, easy questions like, "So, what do you do?" Or, "How's your day going?"
Those are great because almost anyone can answer them easily. Nothing too personal, nothing too difficult.
And here's a tip. Listen carefully to their answer and ask a small follow-up question. That shows real interest.
Oh, that's true. Like if someone says, "I'm a teacher," you could ask, "Oh, nice. What do you teach?"
Yes, it shows you're really listening, and people love that.
Okay, let's talk about one more situation. Small talk at events, like conferences or parties, where you don't know anyone.
Oh, that can feel scary, honestly. But you can just say, "Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Emma."
Simple, direct, friendly, and usually the other person will introduce themselves right back.
Then you can ask something like, "So, how do you know the host?" Or, "What brings you here today?"
Those are perfect party questions. They give people an easy way to start talking about themselves.
Right. And remember, you don't need to talk about deep topics. Small talk is light, easy, and friendly.
True, save the deep conversations for later, when you know each other better.
Okay, now what about ending the conversation? Because sometimes people don't know how to finish nicely.
Oh, this is easy too. You can say, "It was so nice talking to you."
Or, "I should get going, but it was great chatting with you."
And you can always finish with, "Have a great day," or "Enjoy the rest of your afternoon."
Simple, warm, and polite. A nice ending leaves a good impression.
Exactly. Small talk is like a little gift you give someone. A few minutes of friendly connection.
Oh, I love that idea. Okay, let's do a quick recap for everyone.
Sure, so to start a conversation, you can talk about the weather, like, "Nice weather today, isn't it?"
You can ask, "Excuse me, is this seat free?" when you want to sit somewhere new.
You can give a friendly compliment like, "I love your bag, where did you get it?"
You can talk about your surroundings, like, "Have you been here before?"
And you can keep the conversation going with, "What about you?" or "So, what do you do?"
And finally, you can end nicely with, "It was so nice talking to you. Have a great day."
That's a lot of great phrases, right? But remember, you don't need all of them at once. Just pick one or two and practice.
Yes! Try using one new phrase this week, maybe with a neighbor or a cashier at a shop.
Small steps, real practice. That's how you build confidence.
Well, that brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for listening with us in the nest.
If this helped you, please like this video and subscribe to English Nest Podcast for more easy English lessons.
And tell us in the comments, what's the hardest part about small talk for you? We'd love to hear.
Until next time, keep practicing and keep talking.
Bye for now, everyone. See you in the next episode.